Hi, it's Christopher Grubb. One thing I have fun with traveling with the House Tipster team to different trade shows is getting to see the latest and greatest. As an interior designer, I have Arc Interiors Design Group and I do product design. This is such an inspiration to come to this show. Rugs, lighting, furniture, accessories. If it's not here, it doesn't exist. So let's take a look at some of the top trends that you're going to be seeing soon at your local retailer and online. All right, let's talk texture. Texture was one of those things that was overwhelming to see at the show. Furniture actually had 3D detailing on it, as well as inlay, so from afar it looked like a texture. Accessories, there were some great things like vases that had texture in different layers or ribbing. Fur pillows were also a big thing, as well as velvet. Velvet is a textural touch, which is really wonderful, and artwork. Artwork, we saw the one that was feathers with the gold, and there was a lot of found objects that really were dynamic and unique to put in your space to add texture. As a designer, when I talk about small space living, there was a lot of multi-purpose furniture. What I mean by that, smaller scale tables, doors and drawers were terrific. Lots of stacking tables, which are wonderful for a smaller space. You can move them around and use them for more things. And then really unique storage. Lots of little drawers, slide outs inside of nightstands and cabinets. Really smart ideas for small space living. There's a lot of discussion, and I'm also predicting you're gonna see a lot more furniture that's decorated and detailed. What I mean by that is the shaping of it. There's been a lot of curved sofas that soften it. I think you're especially gonna see it in hardware. So be on trend, watch for it. It's exciting. I personally do a lot of kitchen and bath design, and one thing editors ask me is, what are we moving into instead of white and gray that's been so popular? Lighter color woods is a big deal now, away from the darks and the medium tones. I'm at the Broyhill showroom. This is a great example. Finish-wise, glosses are popular for something that's more elegant, but it's not too formal. There is still the rough woods, and this is a great example with the glazing, so it's something that's halfway in between those two tones. One thing that's been huge to see this year, which if you watch the other videos on House Tipster that every editor, designer, and manufacturer talks about, is color. Green is the most popular one we've seen at the show, followed by blue, and lots of jewels tones like fuchsia, turquoise. The other thing that's strong is gold. Gold on the metals. What's great about color and the gold is you can use them in small elements and side pieces, so you don't feel like you've done too much of it, but make sure you're using your space. You'll be a leader in your design decor. And another High Point market comes to a close. I hope you enjoyed this collection of the top trends we saw at the show and what you learned from the different editors, manufacturers, and designers who are top in the industry on their individual videos. I invite you to subscribe to House Tipster on YouTube, and I'd love you to go look and learn more about my work at christophergrubb.com. Until next market, we're out.